I'm Amy Anderson for OptionRally TV. Let's take a look at last week's market and what to expect today, Wednesday, December 11th, 2013. Carl Icahn rumored to be buying up Twitter. Wall Street eases off of record highs, and the Feds move to blackout mode. Let's take a quick look at what is happening in the global markets. Wall Street eased yesterday coming off of record highs. With no major economic data on the calendar, investors worried whether a reduction in bond buying will come at next week's Federal Reserve meeting. Mixed economic reports out of China also provided an uncertain backdrop. Traders are beginning to worry about Monday's comments from 3 Fed members, all indicating that tapering was going to start as soon as the Fed went into blackout mode ahead of its meeting December 17th and 18th. Twitter shares surged nearly 6% to $52.10. The stock hit an all-time high and has now doubled from its IPO price. Though there wasn't any direct news driving up shares of Twitter, some traders cited rumors that Carl Icahn, who has had a great year in part due to his investment in Netflix, is buying Twitter. Asian stocks closed lower after China reported a slowdown in industrial production, though retail sales came in higher than forecast. And European equities ended lower. In foreign exchange markets, the U.S. Labor Department said job openings at workplaces rose 3.93 million in October. None of Tuesday's economic headlines had been expected to be as significant as Friday's upbeat jobs report or next week's Fed meeting, where the central bank may decide to reduce its bond buying program that has supported the U.S. dollar. The timing of a reduction in the Fed's bond buys, currently set at $85 billion a month, had been a focus in the markets for much of the year and will be dependent on economic data. The U.S. dollar index, which tracks the greenback against 6 major rivals, fell to 79.943. Weakness in the dollar helped the euro climb to 1.3770, while the yen gained to trade at 102.78. The outperformer remains the pound sterling, which is trading at 1.6443. The Aussie gained steadily on Tuesday to reach 91.45 on mixed data out of China. Moving to commodities, gold skyrocketed, gaining 2.2% to trade at $1261.10 on tapering comments from the 3 Fed presidents on Monday evening. Gold futures have soared by more than $30 an ounce as investors continue to speculate whether the Federal Reserve will begin tapering its bond buying program as soon as this month. Crude oil continued to climb to the end of the day at $98.51 a barrel, a gain of $1.17. In London trade, Brent North Sea crude lost 1 penny, settling at 109.38 a barrel. Speculators expect upcoming reports from the American Petroleum Institute and the U.S. Department of Energy to show growing oil consumption. I'm Amy Anderson. Follow me Monday through Friday right here on my channel, at OptionRally.com, and on my Facebook page. Have a great trading day and a wonderful holiday season.